Hello and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. Today we're gonna do like a cute little bear ball thingy. Um, yeah, let's see how this works out. All right, so um, mm, what we know is that let's see, we're gonna do the front. We're gonna add the little ears. So we're just gonna do little sphere, and we're gonna bring it up, make it smaller, bring it right about here, maybe make it a little bit. That's the right location. We're gonna call it Beary because I'm really creative like that. Bring this a little more here, go to front like that. That's pretty good. Okay, then validate. We're gonna go to the right side. This is kind of like cut off, so we're gonna trim this with a rectangle like this. Right, fix the geometry right there, and we're also gonna, what's it called, decimate this like that. Right, actually let's not decimate. All right. All right, and then we're also gonna add, what's it called, like little inner ear part, so we can do something really fast, which would just, actually we can just make a copy of it and do a gizmo, make that smaller, bring that out here like that, angle it. Oh, sorry about that. Just a little bit like this. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, and then we are gonna combine those two parts, voxel merge, and we're gonna do resolution or 100. Yeah, resolution of 100. So that will make it a little easier to work with. And then we're gonna smooth things out. We're gonna do 40% or so intensity, and then let's just make it smoother like that. Right. Actually, you know what? Yeah, now we're learning sculpting, so yeah, we gotta do some actual sculpting. But we could have left it as two separate pieces, and that would have been fine. All right, and then just done like a, what's it called? No, yeah, that's fine. Okay. All right, then we are gonna do symmetry for this, and make sure it's world and right to left. It works out. You'll have it right here. Sweet. All right, and now we're gonna do our little tiny little tubby little legs. So we're gonna do another sphere front. Let's bring it down, make it smaller like this, make it even smaller like that, kind of line it up with that white line down there. Okay, and then we're gonna do right, bring it up here, right, maybe bring it up just a little more, like that. Okay, that's good, that's fine. Validate that, and we're just gonna do this. we're gonna do, what's it called, planes. We want both the X and C axis. So sorry, the middle plane and the halfway plane. So you see, like that, in 4 parts, but in the X and Y and not in the, like, the top view. So with those two selected right here, then right to left, it should give you 4. Oh, okay, I guess not. Press the C out, and then local world or again, and that should give you the other 2 pieces. Sweet. All right, then we got our little tubby legs, and we're gonna join that in the giant sphere. Actually, we're gonna join all of this. All right, and then no, in case we just want to move things around, yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna leave it all like that. That's fine. And then we're gonna add, like, the mouth piece. So again, another sphere. Front, make it smaller. Go to your left or right, and then bring it right here in the face. All right, that's good. Maybe make it a little bigger. Okay, front, make it smaller. Yeah, just about that much. And let's do validate. Then we're going to do a move, and we're going to make sure it's symmetrical, and we're going to decrease the radius like that. That's pretty good. This front. Now we're going to add a little we're actually going to duplicate this, and we're going to go back to Gizmo here, go back down this way and left, and then decrease that front. That's going to be like the nose, but we're going to make this one just a little bit more dog-like, like that, or bear-like. And then go back to this one right here, and we are going to do some cutting. Actually, we're going to do some negative clay instead. So increase the intensity, decrease the radius, and make sure it's symmetrical. So, and just like this, we're going to make a smile. All right, that's 2 down. That's not bad. Okay, then smooth that out. Make sure your intensity is really low. All right, that's not bad. All right, there we got it. And then we're gonna work on the eyes. So I'm gonna add another sphere. Bring it down to your left. Bring it this way. We're gonna make it way smaller. Okay. Then front, over here. That's good. Right, bring it in here, and then we are gonna do some movement. So go to the front. We want the eyes like this. Like, it's kind of ovally like. And we're gonna move them more this way. All right, it's pretty good. I guess we can make them bigger like that, just slightly. All right, that looks good. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna decrease that, and that's going to be like the pupil, I think. make this smaller like that. All right, sweet. It's so bug-tied. Okay, I think these two maybe should be smaller. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is way better. All right, less creepy. And then we are gonna just don't treat it as one thing. We're just gonna do a local right to left. Let's see if they did both. No, okay, so we gotta click on this one too. And let's transfer it. Sweet. There we are. There's our little barrier. Oh, I forgot his little tail. So again, another speaker. I'm really sorry, but yeah, spheres. They are very useful. Okay, then validate. Then we're gonna go to the back, and we are gonna do some move here. Take off symmetry. This is gonna be his little tail right there. That's pretty much it. Okay, and then this and that we can do a voxel merge, and we can get this down to like, again, 100 resolution. Sweet. And then we just smooth things out again here. And there you got it, your own little Beary. We're not going to paint it. You can go ahead and do that if you like. I'm just going to go ahead and do the UV unmapping. If you want to stop here, I'll have the UV unwrapping and the model ready for you to use if you like. And